There is a hacker who is either attacking me from a radio tower and they're a part of a corporation, or they are a dirty porker. However far away, it could be 150 yards away with the technology that exists right now. Or I have somebody close by trying to hack me. And next time I'm going to be ready. Should I decide to use a wireless device, I normally go only Ethernet. But there are ways to legally, mind you, find out the location of an attacker. That's all I'm going to say. So, I'm going to hold my ground. People want to, paranoid as it sounds, it's not paranoid. It's not paranoid. And I'm going to hold off on saying what else I think could be going on before I get anybody else in trouble. Right, Tech Bro? I might have some dirty porkers trying to go for some low-hanging fruit that doesn't exist, or a hacker going for some low-hanging fruit that doesn't exist, instead of arresting some pedos within the trumpet men. I mean, what? Some people need to find some better things to do. Minding my own business. People have a serious problem with people like me who exercise their freedom of expression, who say what they want to say when they want to say it, even when they're within the confines of the law. They just don't like it. They just don't like it. They may not like my speech. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Go away.